Hey everyone, Dee here. Decided to do something a little different today. I've never done an unboxing video, so that is what you are about to get. First of all, spring is finally here in Canada. The sun is shining today. It may have only been 3 degrees, but it was sunny. My boyfriend and I sat out on the front steps and enjoyed the sunshine for a little bit. Like, we have been waiting for this for so long. Yeah, so I'm super excited for spring to have arrived. Also means I'm excited for new things, new products. I find spring is such an awesome season for new launches, exciting new things, adding stuff to your wardrobe, and I decided it would be time for me to try something a little different. So I haven't had a subscription box in a few years. I used to love subscription boxes. I signed up for all of them. You know, I had like Glam Box, Luxe Box, Glossy Box, all of the above. And I wanted to try them again because it's been a few years. I wanted to see what's going on and what kind of things are out there now. So I heard that Ellen had her new Be Kind box that she launched, I believe, the end of last year. And Ellen is just good people, so I wanted to give her box a try, see what's going on and what she has inside. But I did purchase this box, so this is not sponsored at all. Anyways, I guess the whole point of this is Be Kind by Ellen. Kind of helps to donate to different charities and support organizations that she's really into. So I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of stuff in there that kind of relates to that, but let's dig in. Right off the bat, we do have a little pamphlet that kind of gives a little bit more information about what's inside the box. On the inside, we do have a little note from Ellen, and it just kind of talks about what's inside the box and what she's focusing on this time. And this time it is kind of helping to save the gorillas. And I guess through the Ellen Fund, they made a couple donations from some of the companies inside the box, and they are building a new campus to help save the gorillas, which is awesome. The first thing I see inside the box is a little note card from Calm, and it's a 60-day free trial for the app. Now, I love Calm. I actually used it for a while because I have a really hard time falling asleep, and it's a meditation app, and one of the categories they have on there is to help you sleep. So this is amazing. It helps me fall asleep. Like, I am out in 30 seconds when I use it. So that is a great thing to have. And I think it's like $12 or $13 a month. Next thing we have in this box is this stainless steel tumbler from Bita. It'll actually fit my wine in here really well, I think. Yeah, it's this really nice double wall vacuum sealed tumbler. Skip the straw. Straws are bad. Get rid of them. No more plastic straws. Get reusable ones. It's this really nice tumbler. This will be great for traveling and for when I'm on the go. They have partnered with Ocean Conservancy's International Coastal Cleanup, which is getting rid of plastic use bottles from the oceans and waterways and beaches. So yeah, that's wicked. And up next is a little box from the West Rock Coffee Company. Inside the box, we have a couple pouches of coffee and a couple of K-cups. Started with farmers in Rwanda, now it's expanded to farmers across the globe, which is cool. So it's kind of about treating people with respect, making sure these farmers get what they deserve for their work. I do not drink coffee. Once in a while I'll have something with espresso in it and a lot of caramel or sugar, but I do not drink coffee. So this is going to be going straight to my boyfriend, who is going to be very excited about it. He drinks a lot of coffee. He drinks more than enough coffee to make up for the fact that I don't drink any. The next thing in the box is this photo book called Rover. It's from Rover Works, and all of the dogs in this book were rescue dogs, or they were in shelters, which is really cool. I love dogs. I love dogs. That's a cat. It's not a dog. Let's try that again. Okay, yeah, these dogs. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then we have some Ellen playing cards. They're actually really nice. I feel like Janelle might want these because she's obsessed with Ellen. So I might pass these along her way, but yeah, cool, playing cards. And then next we have a little box of Cheerios. Look at these Cheerios for ants. So I guess that Ellen has partnered with Cheerios to try to push for 1 million acts of good. So I guess if you go to the website ellentube.com/Cheerios, you can find out and share your acts of good, and it's just kind of a nice way to inspire people. Apparently, one person's gonna get something awesome in one of these boxes. I have a feeling it's not gonna be me, but you never know. Not me. It takes me. That was only my second try. Next up in the box, we have a Be Kind by Montecito candle. Oh my god, it smells like man. Right. And the cool thing about this, I guess Ellen actually curated and chose the scent that went into this candle. It smells really good. Just gonna light this. And the last item we have in this box is from Alex and Annie. And oh, this is cool. So it is a bracelet that is going to make a donation to the Ellen Fund. You can see it does have a little gorilla charm on it, which is really cool. So you know exactly what it's for when you wear it. That is my first Be Kind by Ellen box. I think I was expecting a little bit more excitement in the box, but I do love some of the things that came into the candle. The bracelet is really cool. That tumbler is awesome. The dog bag is so cute. But I guess it is kind of counteracted by the fact that both Alex and Annie and Cheerios made donations to the Ellen Foundation, which is very cool. So the box does help to give back. Anyways, that is my first unboxing video. Let me know below what you thought of the items in this box, if you thought this box was worth it, about any other subscription boxes that you've been enjoying. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, and do not forget to hit subscribe because there will be more videos coming your way very soon. Cheers, and thank you for watching.